I'm 15 and I care for my mum. I was given the Young Carers card last year. When I went out places, if I show it to someone, they know that I am a young carer.
Hi, I'm Alicia. I'm 14 years old and I live in Swansea. I care for my mum and I got my Young Carers ID card about 2 years ago.
Dwi'n Carlin a dwi'n defnyddio fe people on board i'r ysgol a North Chemist.
I care for my mother who suffers with dementia and Alzheimer's. I got my YCID card from when I got referred and assessed. I think it's really useful for myself because in pharmacies when we're not allowed to go in, we could show us the card and they can let us through and get what we need.
I think the card's there to help identify us and show that we are young carers. I think that's really good.
My name's Tatum, I'm also 15 and I care for my mum. I also got my card after my assessment and I find it very useful for young carers.
Enw fi yw Mia Williams a fi'n gofalu am mam fi as mae hi'n cael FND. Achos mae'n gallu, ti'n gallu gwneud mwy o pethau gyda fe I helpu pobl ti'n carer am.
I got the ID card around 2 years ago and it has helped me a lot to collect my mum's medication because I am underage and she cannot collect it herself. I use my Young Care ID card for school, so if I need to message my mum or call my mum, I can get out of class to ring her. Or if I'm late to school because I've had to help my mum in the mornings, I can use my ID card to show the school that I am a young carer.